In a world shaped by time and nature, there lies a place where the earth whispers stories through wind, water, and stone. Tucked away in the misty mountains, there's a hidden world. A place where time has stood still. A place not yet hurried by time. Where water dances gently like a silk veil. Where wonder lingers in every breath of air, carries the whispers of life itself. Where it gives life to billions of creatures, from small plankton to the gentle giants of the land. The elephants. In these quiet waters, elephants find peace, a timeless ritual that connects them to the heart of nature. Here, waterfalls cascade like silver ribbons down rugged cliffs. Up in the north of the island, life moves. Wild, free, untamed. Here, wild horses roam where few humans ever go. Shorelines stretch endlessly, kissed by sun and sea. This is a land of hidden marvels, of sacred echoes, and living traditions of colors so vivid, they awaken something deep within. A land like no other. A timeless island of miracles, Sri Lanka. A jewel of the Indian Ocean, where ancient temples rise above the treetops. And tea gardens paint the hillsides in gentle waves of green. The warmth of its people, the pulse of its culture, the rich blend of history and wild beauty, all come together in one breathtaking island. Let us journey through this wonder, one extraordinary moment at a time.